Hey guys, right now I'm just walking through Walgreens looking for the new squishy gears. So this is the box of all the squishies, and they look soft, but when you squish them, they're really hard. And I really like that emoji one. Oh, look at the basketball. And I love that apple, but it's so dense, isn't it? And then I like the French fry one. The French fry one's soft. And there's the macaron. I really like the macaron. So the squishy stretch gear are really dense, but if you like hard squishies, then these squishies might be for you. And the rest of the video, it's just me walking through the store.